This is Turner's Underseal at turnersunderseal.com. We're installing our larger dehumidification system in a basement slash crawl space. Mostly it's a large basement, which actually goes back to another area here, which is going to be dehumidified, with this duct going to the back area. And then there's two ducts actually coming off the unit here. And this duct, it's going all the way back here to an access which is right through this foam, which is a smaller crawl space area that needs to be dehumidified as well. And then over to the left is another part of the basement that we're going to fork off and dehumidify that as well. This is close to the river, so there is a lot of humidity in the house. The improvement down here is going to be fantastic.